I'd like to toast His Excellency the President, the government, and the people of Fiji. Cheers.
Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, it is now my honor and most pleasant duty this evening, on behalf of His Excellency the President, the Honorable Prime Minister, the government and all Fijians, in extending to Her Majesty the Queen, the government and the people of United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland our sincere appreciation and well wishes for a memorable and enjoyable celebration of Her Majesty the Queen's birthday. May I now invite you to please charge your glasses as I propose a toast for the continued good health, happiness, and longevity of Her Majesty the Queen. To Her Majesty the Queen. Thank you and binakapakalip.